How to download and install Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Telegram X. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now, here on the bottom, simply tap on install. So the installation process has begun. So what is Telegram? Basically, this is a social media app. Here you can add different people, have messages, and basically used for larger files. So the app is installed. Now you can simply open and start using it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.